No, not to. It's just that I'm just trying to tell you how I want it. That's all. Yes. So why are you not ready?
Yes, my friend just called attention to originating process.
Yes.
Which reads Olajide David Omopariola. While other processes reads Omopariola Olajide David.
Originating process.
Yes, that's the general form of content. While all other processes reads
David Omo Pariola.
Yes,
All other processes read what? All other processes read what?
that's Omopariola Olajide David. That's the surname coming before the first and the last name.
And you know the reason why it may be a problem is because I don't know how we went to school and graduated, and we don't know the simple rules about writing names. And I don't know how we did our legal drafting. In writing a name, if you just write Olajide David Omopariola, it tells me that his first name is Olajide, David is his middle name, Omopariola is his surname. Now, we agree that there are times we start by writing the surname. So if you are starting with surname, you put comma after the surname. Then the other names follow. There will be no confusion. But the way you wrote it now, on the complaint, we have first name as Olajide, and surname as Omokwariola, but the statement of facts, we have first name as Omokwariola and surname as David. Please, we should, I don't know. That is besides the fact that you people will write one name. When the witness comes to the witness box, he gives another order of name. You write one order of names, the witness comes and gives us another order of name. And I wonder, this is somebody that came to your office. You interviewed him, he introduced himself, brought his documents to you, and yet you could bring him to court. You do all his processes, he signed, and you bring him to court. He gives us a different order of his name.
Lord, I'm so sorry about this.
So what do you want?
Lord, in the event of this, we'll be praying the honorable person for the God who is having the same mistake. My Lord, this is due to the exhibits.
Grammar. In the event of this means if this happens. Learned Council, is that not so? Linguistically, in the event of this, that means if this should happen. Meanwhile, it has already happened. So it's in view of this. It's in view of this. That's what the Bible uses when it starts a new chapter with therefore. It means in view of what I have said in the previous chapter, this and this continues. So it has in view of this. Yes. The Igbo man says words are the palm oil with which we eat our roasted yam. And it is much applicable in law proceedings, anything legal, language. So we ask for an adjournment to put our house in order, as we used to say, because the house is in disorder, isn't it? Yes, any objection, Omotayo? Eh? Okay. I'm suffering with your my statement of strength within because you took it from his processes. These are very minor things, but you see what a huge something is going to cost us. You see all these processes, and if we need to amend all the processes just because of arrangement of name. You remember that case of that medical doctor? Was this his name? The one that the court says, what's this man's name? The one about arrangement of name. The one that talks about enrollment of his name in the medical register. Like the initials, MNT or TN. And the court say NT and TN, like NT and TN David. NT David is not the same thing as TN David for the purpose of registration in a professional distinct register. And that applies to you if your name is KM Owoye, for instance. If you bring something with MK Owoye, it's not you. And somebody can say this KM Owoye is not a registered legal practitioner. He didn't defame you. And that is the facts of the case in that other case. I don't know why this, and as I go out now, I'll just remember the name. Okay, I think it's Esonowo, something Esonowo or so.
I'm sorry, sir. It's because of the documents that we have in our position that we want to send out before the congregation. Some has surname first, while others has a first name.
But look at those documents. The ones that have surname first, they are likely to write comma. even though they are done by non-lawyers. And that's the thing I used to quarrel with you people here every time. I will say, non-lawyers will give you a document that you are tendering as exhibit. They paginated it, but your originating process is not paginated like this you are on, it's not paginated. You write your final written addresses unpaginated. Meanwhile, you have a express instruction to paginate your work by the rules of, all rules of court gives you express instruction to paginate your work. But you people never do. Where are the certificates? Did you not attach some?
No, I will have some.
I said, did you not attach some?
We did, sir. They are behind the original process.
I'm seeing Olajide David Omopariola 2, but not on certificates, but on documents from the probably defendants. I have not seen any attached certificates. So you are going to tender certificates you didn't attach, isn't it? Okay, that one doesn't matter again for now. Give us date.
13th January.
You didn't say a word. When I pronounce, then you will say it's not convenient, isn't it? The court clerk just suggested. At least you should say it's convenient, isn't it? You are saying convenient. I didn't talk. It is when I pronounce, you will know how to talk, isn't it? And I've written. Case adjourned to 16 January 2025 for hearing. Please, before then, both of you should go and learn how to do Zoom. Please. Your witness was online and none of you was online, and you are the ones representing him. Go and learn this Zoom something.
Let's go.
Because very soon we'll have less of you coming to court. You'll be doing your matters from your chambers. You file from your chambers, you do the case from your chambers, we give judgment, you download it from your chambers. In fact, we have already been trained on how to e-certify. You apply for certification online, we certify for you online. I have my signature already put on the e-format. I have it on my system. You just apply, it goes through the registrar, they send it to me, and I append my signature. And they would certify it online. Because we are seeing where the world is going, and we cannot be left behind. And you just to link Zoom, we run the proceedings and finish, you couldn't link. I don't know whether your client is still, yes, he's still online. Is that all for the Zoom proceedings today? All right. So we shall all leave. Thank you. Just a moment.